Hi guys, picked this up in the charity shop. I am confident it is a Fortnite vehicle from the game. FNT0118 by Epic, copyright 2019 Epic Games, made by Jazwares. As you can hear, it's got good batteries in it. Well, I've just put them in, that's why I know they're good ones anyway. That button is the test button. It is radio controlled, but I've tried 27 megahertz, 40 megahertz, and also my box full of 2.4 gigahertz toy grade controllers. None of them talk to it, so we're going to have to take it apart and have a look inside. I'll just grab a magnet to collect them. I suspect it's a 2.4 gigahertz one. It's a it's 2019. That's sort of when they started doing 2.4 for toy grade on a regular basis.
I'm having to overdub this because my wireless microphone stopped working. Rather annoying. That red bit of wire is the aerial, so that tells me it's a 2.4 gigahertz receiver because they have the short ones like that. The crystal there is actually 16,000 written on it. The receiver's labelled RX30750 and it's dated 2019. What else are we going to say? Oh, it's a nice solid feeling build. Thermal fuse to protect it, so got a good bit of quality here. Button there that cycles through the sound effects, which unfortunately you now can't hear because my wireless microphone failed. I think there's about 5 different sound effects. And LED effects at the same time. And my thumb is on the loudspeaker. So 1, 2, 3, 4 LEDs, loudspeaker. That was the on-off switch I touched briefly there. Now we're looking at the drive motor, steering motor, steering. Talking about the aerial again there. The tyres feel nice. They're not soft, but they're not hard plastic. And just under my fingers there, I think I'll touch it in a minute, there's actually some damage to the plastic there. It looks like somebody's touched it with a soldering iron, right where my thumb is at the moment. Yeah. But there's no evidence there that they've been soldering anything, so I'm not quite sure what that is. Maybe they just dropped a cigarette on it or something. That's definitely melted. That's the on-off switch just there. And that's about it. Without the right transmitter for it, it's pretty well useless. But it is a nice little unit, so I could swap the receiver and make use of it. And all I can say is I'm really annoyed with my wireless headphones. Just some close-ups here now so we can see the printing on the chassis. And I will just show you the other Fortnite toy I picked up the other day.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.